Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well and doing great. So आज हम सीखने जा रहे हैं पेस्ट स्पेशल, हाउ टू यूज पेस्ट स्पेशल इन एक्सेल एंड पेस्ट स्पेशल में बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं. वी विल कवर पेस्ट स्पेशल टुडे. सो फ्रेंड्स, पेस्ट स्पेशल के बारे में जानने से पहले वी लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग अबाउट आवर एडवांस एक्सेल सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स. This is the second batch of advanced Excel certification course, which is going to start from 27th May 2020, and time will be of 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. And link to join this course I have given in the description. You can read the description about the topics we are going to cover in these 5 days. So during these 5 days, we will cover many advanced topics, and those who wish to learn Excel from basic to advanced, this is the best course for you during this lockdown. And the fees of this course is also very nominal, 600 rupees for 5 days, and that fees is of the logistic cost, not the course fees. Course fees is the free, and course is free of cost. And if you want to learn Excel from, and if you want to become from zero to hero in Excel, then this course is for you. And like I always say, is for the finance professionals, we must learn the Excel, and we must have the advanced knowledge of the Excel. So therefore, I came up with this idea to start series on Excel courses. I've already completed one batch, and there more than 2,000 participants more has participated in the course. And I've got many messages, many phone calls from many people. They wanted me to start one more batch soon. So therefore, on your request, I'm starting one more batch of Excel certification course. And in this course, there will be many new things we will cover. We will cover the macros. We will see how we can prepare balance sheet from Excel, how we can prepare balance sheet from the trial balance, how we can use many new functions which has came into the Office 365. In Office 365, there is many new features which has been released by the Microsoft, and many new formulas has been released. So these also we will cover in our this advanced Excel batch. Many formulas for VLOOKUP we have left last time. We will cover these as well. And the pivot table we were not able to cover last time. Many features of the pivot table and pivot chart, these also we will cover in this course. And it is a detailed course because we have given this time 5 days instead of the 4 days last time we were given. So golden opportunities for all of you, those who want to learn something new in the Excel, kindly avail this course and join this course. Link of the same is already given in the description. Now I'm going to forward our today's topic, which is of the what is the topic of our today is paste special, how we can use the paste special in our daily life, and how what are the uses of paste special. Let me share my screen. So friends, in paste special there are many functions. We will cover here one or two, and rest of the functions you can see in our class, which is going to start from 27. So one of the best feature of the paste special is to transpose. So if you have something on the x-axis and something on the y-axis, and if you want to transpose x-axis things you want on the y-axis and y-axis you want on x-axis, then transpose is the best thing you can use by way of the paste special. Secondly, if you have something in the columns and you want that columns to be converted into the rows and rows to be converted into the column, then paste special is very good tool to use it. Just copy the entire text. Let's say in this text I need to convert these April, May, June to March months in left side in this a column, and all the states I want to convert into the rows. So how we can do it? One option is that manually we will do it. We will write it manually. And another option and another smart way is to use the formula of paste special. I've just copied this text, entire text. Now here I'm going to the paste special. I'm using the shortcut keys to use the paste special. Now here you can see the option of transpose. So once you choose the option of transpose and click OK, you can see that months has been came here in column option, and state has been converted into the rows. So within a second, you have converted your whole table from row to column and column to row. So sometimes it happens that in offices our boss says that I need this data in this way, this data in this way, and bosses are having the tendency to ask the same data in the different way. So you can be already be prepared that boss is going to ask this thing as well. So you can do this thing and you can show this thing to the boss as well. One more option of the paste special is that skip blanks. Let's say we have some data in this table and we have data in this table as well, but in this table, let's say I'm deleting these three rows, these three figures. So I want to copy this whole line here in this column B. But if I copy, let me see what happens. My existing data is erased or removed. So let's say if I use paste special, or let me try to paste text, then also none of the formulas allow me to paste only the three figures but not all the figures. I want to paste only three figures, not all the figures, so that during these in these three rows only these figures should come, not all the figures. Let me highlight these three uh, cells. So I have copied this data. I am going here on the paste special. I'm using the option of skip blanks. So if I'm using this option of skip blanks, let's see what happens here. You can see that my existing data is still same, but whatever was the blank cells there, whatever I have copied here. So sometimes there is a huge data in our spreadsheet, and in that huge data we need to replace few columns or few rows or few cells, but we are not able to do it because if we copy paste it, then the data of whole rows gets changed. But this is the very excellent feature. In this feature you can use this feature, and in this feature your data will still be same and your data will be placed only where the blank cells are coming. So this is also one of the very good features of the Excel. Like this way, there has been many features in the paste special. I just discussed two features. Rest of the features I'm going to discuss during the class. And apart from paste special, there are many new things which I'm going to cover in the class. Clipboard is very good use. Random data is also, so there are many things we are going to cover it. So if you want to join it, just visit the description and click on the link to join, and then join this course. So thank you everyone, thank you for watching this video. I request you to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the updates about our Excel videos, our GST income tax videos, our tele videos, and videos on PowerPoint as well. So once again, thank you very much. Thank you for coming, and thank you for seeing this video. Bye bye.